This new technology and new drivetrain is part of the new innovation enabling four-wheeler e-bikes to be very attractive. We call it cycling by software. It has the ability to remove all the mechanical hassle. It has a reduction of maintenance up to 50%. And it also kind of reinvents cycling by the fact that pedaling forward is totally detached from the way a mechanical drivetrain works, meaning it's software control, whether you're pedaling forward, you go backwards, or you have sport modes, winter modes, etc. Also, the connectivity in the vehicle enables you not only to control the vehicle by an app or by a fleet management system, it also have automatically tracking, automatically shutdown of the vehicle, and can remotely diagnose, repair, and upgrade the bike. So, what is the reason for trying to downsize? First of all, compared to a 2-ton vehicle, and this one being a 100-kilo four-wheeler e-bike, it's trying to put a small footprint into short-term needs. 50% of all car rides in cities are less than 5 kilometers, and you don't need a 2-ton car to go there. You don't need it for the riding, you don't need it for the parking. So as you can see here, you reduce congestion and parking space by 75% compared to a car. And you can see it's not very much bigger than a regular bicycle.
eBike Future Conference 2022.